Okay, guys, the book for today is called When Spring Comes. When Spring Comes by Henkes, illustrated by Laura Drumset. Okay? Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky. See? Black sticks. But if you wait, spring will bring leaves and blossoms. See? Leaves and blossoms. If you wait, spring will make the leftover mounds of snow smaller and smaller and smaller until suddenly they're gone. Before spring comes, the grass is brown. See, it's brown. But if you wait, spring will turn it green and add little flowers. Good job. Okay. If you wait, an egg, see the egg, the blue egg, will become a bird. Yes, will become a bird. A seed will start to grow. See? Seed, bud, and finally a flower. Yes, it begins to grow. Spring comes with sun. Yes, and it comes with rain. Yes, with rain. And more rain. And more rain. Lots of rain. Yes. Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? See, mud puddles. I hope you like umbrellas. Yes, because it rains. Okay? Before spring comes, the garden is just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. See? These are the green shoots, the sprouts. And spring will call out the pussy willows, and new kittens too. Spring can come quickly or slowly. It changes its mind a lot. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. There will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. Yes, see all the buds, the bees. There will be worms, and wings, and wind, and wheels for the bicycles. Yes, you will feel it, you will smell it, and you will hear it. Yes, when spring is finally here to stay, you might think you are done waiting, but you are not. No, you are not. Now you have to wait for summer. Yes, now we have to wait for summer. Very good. Okay. What is this, guys? This is a nest, and these are eggs. Very good. Eggs. Leaves and flowers. Very good. This is spring. When spring comes by Henkes. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.